let's move on to the chorus guitar. So again, we've got mono takes here, which is going to be used for double tracking the guitars. And you can see there's a few variations here in the audio where they don't quite match up. So you've got to use the right takes and for each bit. All right, so let's just set up one guitar to begin with. Let's use 3. This one here, okay? And let's just listen to that. Okay, so we want to clean that up before we go into any amp simulator. So you can guess what we do. We're just going to roll off that bottom end. That'll do. You could take a bit of top off as well if you wanted. That'll do. I mean, there's a little bit of nastiness there, but don't worry about that. Let's go into the amp simulator designer, amp designer. Now, this is really cool. Don't go to the presets. They're really just not what's after, what you're looking for. You've got all these different amps you can choose from. So they are all based on different real amps. Some of them are quite classic, where there's an orange amp for you. We've got like the Fender Twin kind of thing, stuff like that. Blackface, that's the Fender Twin there. And the one we want to use for this one, we're going to use the AC30 clone, which is this one. And we're going to set it up with a one speaker, one 12-inch speaker like that. And at the moment it's set to a ribbon mic, but we want to use a dynamic 57 for that classic British rock sound. Straight on the cone, straight in the middle, boom, like that. And let's have a listen to that. Yeah, better. Okay, so we've got this EQ section. You want to mess around with that. But the main thing to add to distortion is you need to turn the gain right up. So it might get quite loud now. There we go, nice. So a bit of middle, bit less top bottom end. We turn the output gain out a bit. Change the tone by moving the mic. There's a little bit of reverb on there. This is quite nice. I think I'll probably keep that on. Okay, so that's pretty good. So now we bring up the mixer X, and here is our chorus guitars, and we're just going to copy this EQ pattern to all the guitars. Like so, using the Alt key, and we're going to copy the amp as well, like that. And now we're going to use a stereo pair, and here we've got 2 of them here, and we're just going to widen these out to about maybe 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock, something like that. Let's see how that sounds like with everything else. Nice. Now we can choose which ones we want. We've got to watch out for, if you solo it out, you can hear there's loads of amp noise. All of that sort of business. So this goes for all the tracks. You really want to just cut this stuff out. So use the marquee tool, click select on there, use Control M, mute it or delete it, like that, and just get rid of all this space, like so. Using the Control key to give you a bit more finer control over where the cursor is, like so, and you just do that kind of thing. Right, it's really important. So some of these takes are better than others. You can see they're slightly different, so you can choose which ones you think are most appropriate. But that is the guitar sounds, and let's hear that again. See, it cuts in. Not bad. So let's do some stereo EQing on that. Don't need to do much in the bottom end there. We want a bit more of that, and then we're going to put some compression on it. I'm going to use my favourite. Quite, let's bring that down. That's better. A bit more bouncy. It's very loud going in. We'll just turn the gain down a little bit. Not that much. Limiter's on. Right. Get the level right. And there you go. That is the chorus guitars. That pretty much works like that. So let's just brilliant. That will do. On to the next one, which would be the glissando guitar.